We consistently have a very high output and a very high level of practitioner when they leave the class. Of course, nobody is going to be an absolute professional once they get out of class. There's a lot of on-the-job training that's going to go with that. But there are many of my past students that are working not only in this area, but in the surrounding counties. And our success rate in the national registries continues to be, and we have maintained well over a 90% success rate with the first-time student taking the national registry exam, which we are very proud of, and we continue to hold our bar very high so that our students are the best and the most sought after for the practitioners that are, or for the professional organizations that are hiring in today's pre-hospital medicine fields.
A lot of instructors, they really have a lot of experience, and they don't only show you the book work, but they show you their life experience as they're reading the book. So our lectures are not just, here is what you're supposed to do according to the book, is here's what you're supposed to do, and here's a life experience that I had that is related to it as well. And that makes, it puts everything in perspective, because now they paint a big picture of what we learned and how they have used it on the field. And I think that's important.
We want all our students to succeed to the best of their ability, and we want the best students working on our families when they finish their courses and become certified.
If being a firefighter or being an EMT or paramedic is where you want to be, MJC offers all of the classes that you need to take as far as being a first responder, going into EMT, forwarding yourself to becoming a paramedic or a firefighter. We have all of the programs, and they're real big on making sure you understand the information and wanting you to pass.